Well, YouTube, building a quad hamstick mount for what I'm going to do is 20 and 40 meters, but dual band, I guess we'd call it. So all I did was I bought some of these FireStik heavy duty stud mounts K4s from Amazon, and then I bought some of these SO239 Bulkhead connectors. They have the shielded connector here, and then solder on center connector for coax. But all I did was I didn't use any coax in here, I guess. When I've seen pictures of the chameleon quad, that's what I'm kind of going after, is seeing if I can make one of these and make it work. Not going to go into the details too much, or I don't want to go into the business of it. But these are fairly easy to make. All I have to do is drill 1/2-inch holes through for the insulators and stuff. But come to think about it, you don't need the insulators, and in fact, all I needed to do is drill 3/8-inch bolts, 3/8-inch holes for the bolts, and just get some 3/8 24 bolts and barrel nuts. You can buy these barrel nuts from different suppliers, and fairly easy to come by online and stuff. But what I did was I soldered the red wire is it's just a small wire. It's like 16 gauge, and I soldered that to the ring terminals that came with this kit, and I crimped them very good too, and then I soldered it to the center stud of the SO239 bulkhead connector. And then there's a ring that goes around there for the outer shield, and that I soldered to that. And then I actually had to ream the hole out just a little bit with a knife, and then I soldered the two white wires on, and then obviously I crimped those wires and then soldered them too, so it's not going to come apart. So very simple, very easy. Everything is really insulated. You don't have to have ground plane apparently for these. And the box here is just a CARLON. I got it from Menards. Looks like it's a 50 cubic inch. I'll turn this around so I can see here. 50 cubic inch marine construction box. That's what it says anyway. There's no knockouts on this box, and it's got some ears on it. I'm going to make a flat piece of iron and bend it. I don't know if maybe I'll find some aluminum, drill a big hole around here, and then just mount it on the thing there, and then bend it on one side, and then put a couple of U-bolts in it for a mount on top of a pole. But the box has got a bunch of sealer on top of it and 4 screws, and I got everything as tight as I could possibly get it. The center part's kind of a pain, but I think I got that tight enough that it's not going to give me any trouble. If not, I guess I can always take it apart and try to get it tighter. So anyway, thanks for watching. Have a great day. The next time I do a video on this, I'll just I'll have it in action, hopefully, or show it after I get done. But here's the on the box. Here's the actual part number, and then the UPC of the box. Like I said, it's got mounting tabs there. They should be good enough. The thing is really built heavy. pretty thick sidewall construction. I was worried that it would bend and stuff like that, but it's not going to bend. I was going to maybe make this thing out of steel, but then I would have had to insulate the box from the rest of it. So I think I think this is going to work. We'll see. I got some Shark distributing ham sticks coming for it, so I think I pretty much talked as much as I could about this part. We'll catch you later on the next one. Have a great day. Bye.